I feel like a lot of people don't really know what marketing actually is. A lot of people put a lot of emphasis on marketing being websites or being advertisement or being emails, but all of those are just tools. They're platforms that we use for marketing. So if that isn't marketing, like the entire category of marketing, if that isn't marketing, then what is? And to me, marketing is not just about tools or about the platforms that we use, right? Whether it's social media or anything like that. But marketing is about learning how to connect with people in a meaningful way so that they remember you, so that they are willing to actually listen to you the next time you have something to say. Whether it's about your product or about your service, you want to build a relationship with someone and have them remember you. So next time they need something, they will come to you. And that's essentially the point of marketing. A lot of people think marketing is about selling, or it's about you putting your price or your product out there to as many people as possible. That is selling. To me, that counts as selling. Marketing is different. I consider marketing pre-selling, if you will, is what comes before you actually sell to someone. Because if you can actually build a relationship, build some form of rapport with someone before you actually try to sell them, then the selling becomes much easier, much simpler. And that is the point of marketing. The point of marketing is not to sell. The point of marketing is to make it easier to get a sale. So there are two main fields in marketing. What we in the industry call traditional marketing. Think of radio, billboards, TV commercials, and digital marketing, digital ads, search engine optimization or SEO, social media, etc. Traditional marketing is made up of a small number of channels that targets a very large group of people. It tends to be hard to measure and pinpoint who to target, which is why I like to call it the one-to-many approach. Digital marketing, on the other hand, is easy to keep track of results and data. It's easy to pinpoint audiences so you are targeting specific groups of people, but the barrier of entry for digital marketing is low, which makes it really easy for other businesses to do the same thing. So you tend to get a lot of competition for someone's attention. That's why I like to call digital marketing the many-to-one approach, many businesses targeting one specific audience or one specific person. As I mentioned before, these are just channels. What you say in these platforms is the real aspect of marketing. Don't let selling cloud your marketing. Try to build a relationship with someone first. Build trust. Build an experience that people will remember. Make the selling easier first. That is what marketing is all about.